Right guys, the day has come. The $20 food review. We're going to do a $20. This is a $20 that was sent to me. I can't remember who sent it to me. Please put in the comments below. Here's a $20 food review. So what can I get for $20? I don't care what they're getting. I'm going to get myself $20 worth of food for that. Okay? So I'm just going to take the camera off Karen. And I'm going to show you where we are. So we're here at Checkers. Now there's loads of these in America. Now I've done one of these, but it was a long time ago, a few years ago. But how cool does it look? So here we go, we're at Checkers in Orlando, right opposite that big McDonald's we went to the other day. So here it is now, our $20 food review. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go inside, order our food, and then we'll come outside on these benches and do a food review outside. Caution, watch your cars. Yep, don't want to get run over by this lady. Now hiring. Ooh, if you want a job out here, I'll pay you $14 an hour. I don't know if that's good, bad, or indifferent. So no pets, shoes and shirts required, okay? So you can't go in here naked. So here we go, I'll show you what it looks like inside. And I'll just take you inside, but I'm going to be quiet when I go inside again, okay guys? So how cool does this look? And there's a gaming room here as well. You might have a quick look in the gaming room. See what's in the gaming room. Oh, this is old Pac-Man, old retro stuff. This has got absolutely nothing to do with the food review, but we're here anyway. And there's the toilets down there. And so we're going to go inside and order our food, and I'll show you what I can get for $20. Old Pac-Man machine. Well, it's a new machine with the old game on. I'll just show you the decor in here. It does look cool though, doesn't it? This is exactly what I like, 1950s style. Right, let's go see if we can find a menu. Okay guys, I'll see you when we get our food. Right guys, there's the receipt. So it was $22.12 in total. I couldn't get it exactly to $20. So $22.12. I think it was 22. So a quick look at this here. Yeah, there we go. Total $22.12. So I'm just waiting for it to be ordered at the moment. So there's me beverage. Look at the size of that. That's huge. That is huge. Even the cups are cool, aren't they? And more importantly, look what we got here. A plastic straw. So if there's any government people watching over there going on about us saving the planet and we need to have paper straws, they don't use paper straws in America. So I'm just waiting for my food. So I've ordered, I can't remember what I've ordered, it's a combo meal, a triple combo meal. So I think it's a triple burger combo meal. I'm assuming you'll have chips with that, fries, and then 5 medium buffalo chicken wings. I wasn't really that hungry, but I had to make it up to the $20 to see exactly what we get for $20. So what I'm going to do is wait for the things to come up. Oh, very good, that. Look at the state of that roof there behind me. Okay, it's actually very quiet here at the moment. We were going to go outside and do it, but it is nice and quiet inside, so I don't think there's going to be a problem. And before you say, guys, yes, I know I need a shave. I'll have a shave when I get back to the apartment today. Okay then, I'll see you as soon as my food turns up. Right, here we go, guys. The food is now here. So as I said, it was $22 and something. So I'll show you what we've got. Chips. Hot wings. So there we go, guys. That's what we get. I'll just clear it up here. So we get chips. We get, I think these are chicken wings. Chicken wings. There we go, barbecue chicken wings. Oh, they look absolutely lovely, don't they? And we've also got a triple burger. I don't know how I'm going to eat all this myself. So there we go, a nice triple burger there. Look, oh my God, look at the size of that. It's got bacon on it and everything. So there you go. There's your $20 challenge that you sent me. So this is what I'm going to get for $20. There's quite a lot there, to be fair, for $22 to be fair. So what we're doing is we're going to sample the food now, and I'll let you know what I think. So we'll just have a quick look at it before I sit down and eat it. Chips, hot wings, not too hot. I asked for just normal hot wings, not them. Apparently there's one that's really hot. I didn't want to go for really hot. And, like I said, a burger. So that's a triple burger with triple pate, with cheese, with bacon. It's got everything on it. Oh my God, I'm not going to be able to move all day. Okay then, let's sample it. So guys, I'm sitting outside and we're just about to start sampling the food. Chip first. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Crispy on the outside. Fluffy-ish on the inside, not brilliant. That's all right. They're chips. They're chips. So, they're all right. So what we got here? Well, that's tomato ketchup. I think it's just 3 ketchups. Just 3 ketchups there. Not really a ketchup person myself, so. Chips are fine. Chips are pretty standard chips for America. Like I said the other day, you can't really go wrong with chips. The ones at that burger, the Mel's hot dogs the other day were better. The chips were better there, but they're all right. Nothing wrong with them. So, let's try one of the hot wings now. Now it's a hot wing with a sauce on it. Now it's not a hot sauce because I'm a big Gills blouse and I don't like hot sauces. So it's just a medium type sauce. So let's just try it. That's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. So you look at it, it's cooked all the way through. It's crispy on the outside. Yeah. But I'm glad I didn't go for the hot sauce. That was just right. That sauce was really nice. The chicken was really tender, and the skin was nice as well. I thought you could have another one of them. So you can see the sauce all over it. That sauce is so nice. Yeah, I've got to admit, that sauce is absolutely lovely. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll use the sauce to dip my chips in. That sauce is really, really nice. I've got to admit, I am enjoying that sauce. I could probably just eat the sauce by itself. It's so nice, that sauce. I can have another one of these, and then we'll start on the burger, okay? The chicken is just falling away from the bone. Well, I've left nothing on that one. So that's 3 down. What I'll do now, I'll have another chip, dipped in my sauce. And then we'll try this burger. Now this is a monster burger. Look at the size of that. It's got 3 patties on it. It's got cheese on it. It's got bacon. It's got some kind of sauce. And the good thing is there's no green stuff. So, let's try the bacon first. Yeah. Yeah, bacon's nice. They're only little slices of bacon, but they are nice. This is a mountain. This give me a mountain. Okay, I'm just gonna have a. Just look at the size of that. That's massive. How am I going to eat all this, guys? This is absolutely huge. Look at that. That's bigger than my head. So yeah, let's have a quick bite to it. Yeah, the burgers are nice. I've got to admit the burgers are nice. Yeah, definitely. Burgers are so nice. The burger pates are just really nice, and they put some kind of sauce on it, which does taste really nice. But the bacon brings the flavour out. Now, the bun itself, the balm itself, yeah, it's all right. That it's not sweet, which is good because round here they tend to have all the bread products tend to be sweet, and it doesn't kind of work. So the balm itself is quite nice as well. I've got to admit, you do get a lot of food for $20 here. Now the good thing about this place, Checkers, now it's a chain store, so you get them all over America. So even though you're smack in the middle of the tourist area, the prices aren't going to be any more expensive here than they are anywhere else. That's the good thing about chain stores, that the price is exactly the same wherever you go. So let me just put my rubbish in the bag. Okay, I'll just show you the bag itself. So I'm just going to finish this burger off and then I'll give you a score. Yeah, the burger is so nice. So let's break this down then. So the wings, 5 chicken wings. Wings are pretty standard wings, but the sauce is really nice. The sauce brings out the flavour of the chicken. So the wings by themselves, probably an 8 out of 10. Absolutely nothing wrong with the wings. The sauce on the wings, absolutely spot on. Absolutely spot on. That's a 10 out of 10 for me on the sauce. So let's talk about the chips. Chips. Standard chips. Yeah. 8 out of 10 again for the chips. Nothing wrong with them. They're not too greasy. They're crispy on the outside. I've had better. I've had worse. They taste so much better with the sauce though. Oh, that sauce is so nice. And then the burger. Burger is so nice. It's a triple burger. The pâtés taste really nice. Plenty of cheese on it. Plenty of bacon on it. Bacon done just nice. Some kind of sauce, like a burger sauce, which tastes nice. Not as good as the other sauce, but tastes nice. Good texture to it. Holds together well. A bit big to eat to start with, but you get your way through it. I'll give that a 9. So, what's the overall thing? I would say, if I take into account value for money as well, you get a lot of food for $20 odd. You do get a lot of food for $20 odd. So I would give this a 9.4 out of 10. So it's definitely, the staff really friendly. It's quite funny actually, because I'm standing by the drive-through. I'm sitting by the drive-through, as you can see, just there, and they can obviously see I'm doing a food review. Now I'm guessing not many people come out here and blatantly do a food review like I do, because they're all standing there watching me and trying to open the window and eavesdrop what I'm saying. So I would say about a 9.3, 9.4 out of 10. Overall, good value for money. Was it worth the money? Absolutely. Tastes nice, definitely. a bit too much for me, to be fair. I've left some chips. I can't eat all the chips. And I've still got one hot wing to go. Just finish the rest of this burger off. So, thank you very much for that $20. And there's your $20 food review. So don't forget, guys, if you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks a lot for watching. See you later, guys.